Hello there, YouTube. This is going to be a different video from what you've probably watched on my channel before. Let me explain. In July of 2002, I was on a 2-week tour with the American Coaster Enthusiast, visiting amusement parks all over Europe. During our drive into the Amsterdam area, my camera picked up a song in the background as I was shooting the POV you are seeing now. The song was being played on what sounded like a very popular radio station which played many different, current at the time, pop and rock songs. I remember just watching the passing scenery and vibing out to the song I had never heard before. That song has not left my mind since that day in 2002. I have exhausted all efforts that I can think of trying to identify it. The big issue is because the song is heard in the background, there is a lot of noise from the tour bus itself, distorting it. Many years ago, I made a video on this channel with samples of the song in hopes that someone could identify it. No such luck. If I were able to identify just one line of the lyrics, it would make searching for the song much easier. Services like Shazam, SoundHound, and Google aren't able to identify it either. So this is where you can help me out. The entire length of the clip, which has the song in the background, is now going to play. I have also included the breakdown of a section of vocals only that was created using AI. Please stay and listen to that segment as well to see if you can understand any of the lyrics. If you have any idea of the lyrics or know the band, please respond below or contact me directly via email. The journey to find the song has lasted over 20 years now. Someone out there has to know who this is. If identified correctly, I will acknowledge who found the song with a pinned comment and in the description. Thank you so much for listening, and good luck.
So boring. I can't be like that. It's kind of weird. I love this is a tour shirt. Only tour shirts are like the wrap. That's what seems like. I don't know. Look at that. Yeah. You can't pull out, mate. You got me out in a minute.